Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Taylor & Francis, access research journals step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Taylor & Francis. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. On the home page, locate the login option, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the login link. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the corresponding field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. After successfully logging in, you will have access to your account dashboard. From the dashboard, you can search for research journals. Use the search bar or browse through categories to find specific journals. Once you find a journal, click on its title to access the articles and content. Explore the available resources and download any relevant papers as needed. If you're accessing paid content, ensure you have the necessary subscriptions or institutional access. Remember to log out once you've finished your research session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.